YouTube, man. We were the late POV. Know what I'm saying? At the gas station right now. My shit on half, but I don't like letting my shit go under half. And yeah, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We finna get into this POV. Back on YouTube, man. Told y'all boys I'm going that shit. I was gonna do my first video was gonna be a POV. On that bit. Show y'all the outside of that bit in a little minute. Put my card in real quick. Hey man, I'm getting back on the YouTube, man. So y'all drop down below in the comments what else y'all want to see. I'll give y'all another video on how much y'all take to fill up my shit too, if y'all boys on the video like that. But shit, my shit don't have right now, so shouldn't be that much. Should be like shit, probably like 30, not 30. I leave my car on, but I turn my damn gas off. I mean, y'all leave my car on, but I keep my AC off though. I need to clean my shit. Shit, y'all boys, my shit. I need a wash, bruh. Gracio. If y'all want to know what the name is, that'd be Gracio. Let me wipe y'all boys off real quick. Tell LED lights on real quick. Like my shit with the LED lights. That bit look way harder. Turn that bit all up. Pee the carpet, nah. Pee the carpet, man. LED lights. Yeah, way fucking better. Yo, boys, if y'all was wondering, man, we're finna get ready and trade this bit in, low key. Trying to go wild body scat. Got the wicker bill. I don't know who the fuck humping. I don't know who the fuck hunking. I don't know who the fuck that is hunking. But 33. You know what I'm saying? Pay 33. Don't need no damn receipt. I don't know who the fuck hunking. Stay my ass on point. I don't know what the fuck they got going on. But let me get back in the fucking... Alright, back to the video, you boys. I had to get my GPS. I had to see what the hell to go around, because that bit took me, like, the screws cut off, so I couldn't even motherfucking go the way I was trying to go. But now we back right, so... But like I was saying, shit, like, the videos, if y'all want to see more videos and stuff, like, just let me know, bro. We're gonna drop them. I'm back on YouTube this time. Like, the reason why I had stopped... Oh, I gotta make it get right. The reason why I had stopped, because I had a lot of stuff in real life I had to deal with. I had to deal with, like, some certain situations and stuff that I had to get handled so I could feel more, like, so I could feel more peaceful and, like, more, like, you know, situated in my life and, you know, less stress. And damn, I can't do no U-turn, you boys. Fuck. I think I'm just gonna have to risk that bit. Ain't nobody out here bit. If this car do it, I'm doing that bit, man. If this car do it, I'm doing a U-turn. I'm doing it with the ad, because that's a motherfucking Nissan truck. Like, shit. 12 gonna get their ass, get my ass. Shit, I ain't gonna be in last. But yeah, like I say, man, hey, I had real stuff going on. So now we back on YouTube. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. We finna get active. This is just a little first video just to, like, drop. And damn, they not. Fuck it. I'm gonna do the U-turn anyways. It's late. Little pull. But yeah, man, I'm finna get back at the fun of YouTube. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. This is like a little first video. So, like, all my videos, this not really boring to a lot of people. So, if y'all want, like, more entertaining stuff, like other stuff, like I say, y'all drop down below. We gonna go ahead and try to get it out, because ain't nobody really doing YouTube. It's a couple people I know do YouTube. But, shoot, I'm trying to get active on that bit, trying to get right. The late night POV. Right now, y'all wonder how I look, bruh. I'm in grind mode. I ain't got no cut right now. No cut. I'm in grind mode, you boys. But y'all know I'm a barber, so hey, if y'all want a video on, like, a tutorial on how I cut myself, I'll drop that too. Like, I know y'all said y'all want, like, barber videos and stuff, but y'all want, like, a self-cut tutorial. Right now, I'm growing a temp out, but I just tend to fade the sides. I don't really cut my John bald no more like I used to. I just tend to fade the sides. Y'all want videos like that and stuff, y'all let me know. And then look, 12 right there. The boys ain't see that U-turn though. Let me slow down. It's late too. Boy, working on the damn highway. But yeah, if y'all want like tutorials on cut, like I'll teach you boys how to cut and all that. And shoot, my clothing line, that's another thing. Like I got my clothing line coming in tomorrow. It's 3:04. It coming in tomorrow between 11 and 3. I'm gonna do a vlog on that too as well. So y'all stay tuned on that. This is gonna drop. This is gonna drop tonight actually, which Friday night, because it's 3:04 right now. So it's gonna drop tonight. At I'm gonna try to get it out by tonight, and then I'm gonna try to get the I'm gonna try to get like a little vlog of me opening my like clothing line and stuff, and I'll give y'all like little tips, like a little bit of tips and stuff. But I'll go in full detail if y'all want a video like on full details how to run like a clothing brand and stuff. I'll go in a full detail video for y'all for that. And I'm gonna like tomorrow I'm gonna show y'all how I take my pictures and stuff, like how I get my content created so I can like post my brand. And like when I do videos and stuff, that when you see me doing videos with my clothing line, it's most likely it's a guarantee that I'm making money off that video. Feel me? Because I market and I promote, so I can teach you boys all that, bro. I can teach y'all boys how to cut. So y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and y'all share my page, man, so we can go ahead and get right. And shoot, if you boys want to do YouTube too, y'all boys do YouTube, man. We all could get this shit together, man. You know, we all could go up and shit. 12 is out, but they were just out sitting though. They not really doing it. I'm out there by myself on the highway by myself. Take my direction off. And then yeah, like I say, I'm in a couple more months. I'm planning on trading my car in for the Scat. Even though the prices are crazy right now on Scats, but I'm not really tripping because it's gonna be an investment. So, and that's the car that I always wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that bit, low key. Y'all boys probably like, what the fuck, this nigga staying motherfucking calm and shit, why he going fast? But I done got used to my car, you boys. I done had this car for 3 years now. I done had it since 2020, since it came out. I done had it since it came out. I got it when it first 11 miles. Now we at 91,000. Y'all boys probably like, god damn, yeah, god damn, nigga. Like, I've been driving the hell out of my car, but I don't fuck my car up or nothing. I don't dog it out. I used to do donuts and stuff, but I don't do none of that no more. I calm down on all that stuff, and I'll take care of my car. Like, once I get a Scat, I don't plan on like dogging my car for real or nothing like that. I plan on just getting in that bit, driving it fast. Cause shoot, everybody else be doing. I might do donut shit depending on like. And now if y'all run a YouTube up now, and like I'm saying, I spend that bread to like do a video and spend my tires shit. Even on this car, like shit, if y'all running videos up, shit, we'll motherfucking go buy some tires and spin that bit around. You feel me? I really don't want to spin this bit though, cause it's a V6. V6 is not really made to be spin. If y'all boys like. That's a little tip if y'all don't know that. V6s are not made. The LSD on them is not strong enough to keep spinning. You have to get like, even RT is not good to spin. You have to go Scat or Hellcat to spin. My bad, you boys. Just say my storage room running low, but like I say, man, I don't even know what I was talking about last time, bro. My shit cut off and I wasn't really paying attention to it, but man, y'all just like, comment, subscribe. I'm finna get ready to end the video. Like a little pull for y'all. I'm finna get ready to end the video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna drop the clothing line vlog, and y'all just get Mr. Active, man. We just trying to I'm getting back started, cause I used to do YouTube. I haven't done YouTube in like 2 years, but now I'm back. I learned a lot more about YouTube. I'm learning more about content and stuff. So y'all just stay tuned, man. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all want like videos or like shit, yeah, just give me any video y'all want. I'm gonna go ahead and do that bit for you boys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm at the red light. I'm finna end it off. I'm gonna snatch off at the red light. But then I can even snatch off like I wanted to. If y'all don't know, this is tuned, you boys. This shit is tuned, just to let you know. Right now, I'm not really doing my full maximum because I'm just not using manual mode, and I'm not really trying to do too much because it's dark as fuck. My tank dark as shit. But yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and end it right here. I done gave y'all the how the outside look. I done told y'all to give y'all update on how everything is and what all my plans is. So man, y'all make sure y'all just run your shit up, man. Let's get it. Back to the video, back in the car. Got that bit filled up. Y'all seen that bit to like 30. I use 87. So I'm in the V6. There's really no point in me using like motherfucking. It's really no point in me using 93 or none of that shit at all. So I don't use that shit. Shit, right now we about to go hop on the highway real quick. Shit, I'm finna entertain y'all boys, talk to y'all boys, get y'all an update. Shit, my birthday that bit next month. Shit, I'm trying to get ready and trade this motherfucking Gracio in. Trying to go wide body. Right now, I'll be trying to trade. I'll probably end up trading my car around like November, maybe. Shit, maybe November. It might be earlier. Right now I'm just working on my credit, trying to get my credit higher, and then I'm trying to figure out about trade lines and stuff. That way my credit could get boosted even more higher. And yeah, man, let's get it. Little late night POV. Y'all see what time it is? What that bitch say? Y'all see what time? Late night, cruising. Got if y'all was wondering, I got 20 on the front windshield and 5 all around. That's why I look so damn dark in this bitch. I like my shit looking dark just because nobody can't see in this bit. And shit, even with my brightness up right now on my screen, nobody can't see in this bit. But if y'all like little videos like this, y'all just let me know, man. I always do like a little late night POV. Shit, I'll probably try to do like a late night POV, maybe a car meet. Cause in Jacksonville, I'm in Jacksonville, and like it be car meets, but some of the car meets be dead. But last car meet I went to, that bit was turned. They was doing donuts and shit on the highway and shit. That shit was raw, bruh. That shit was like actually like fun, and like it was my girl's first time going to a car meet, so she had like a good ass first experience car meet. Like that shit was fun as fuck for her. Like it was some shit I ain't never seen, so she actually had like a good ass time. Like, hey man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. That's it for this video. Like I say, I'm gonna drop that vlog tomorrow. And yeah, y'all boys stay active, man. We're gonna keep y'all taking on y'all journey. We're going to Puerto Rico next month for my birthday. And I might vlog. We're going on, me and my girl, we taking my son on a Disney trip next week. I might vlog that, might not. Just because I don't really like putting my son out there, you know what I'm saying? So, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let's run this shit up.